Hey folks, today we're going to be making a one-pot homemade American goulash. It's real easy, so let's get started. I've put in a half a tablespoon of olive oil. I've got a half a bell pepper and a half an onion chopped up. I'm going to put that in there. Saute that. Goulash, you can put, you can adjust it, stick with the basics, but you can adjust it to what, your ingredients you like best. Some people put in bell pepper, some people don't. I like bell pepper. I didn't have any Italian seasoning, so I'm going to use oregano and basil. So we're going to saute this. A little quick note here: when we buy hamburger meat, when we buy it on sale, we buy a lot of it, and we put them in quart bags, and we weigh them with our scale, and we put a pound a piece in these gallon bags. We flatten them out, and they're a lot easy to put in your freezer. You can just stack them up. So that's a little good tip. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic. Then we'll put in my hamburger meat. We're going to brown the hamburger meat. It's a pound. So we're browning this. Some people, they don't have macaroni noodles, they'll put spaghetti noodles, or I've seen them put potatoes, cube them up and small, dice them. Put that in there if you don't have macaroni. So whatever you've got or whatever you like, you can put whole tomatoes and just, chop them up or mash them. Whatever you got in your pantry, you can use. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to put in, after the pepper, we'll put in just a half a teaspoon of paprika and just a little bit of garlic, a little bit of seasoned salt, and because I don't have Italian seasoning, we'll put in a little bit of basil, a little bit of oregano, half a teaspoon, 2 bay leaves. And when you get ready to eat this, take the bay leaves out. Oh, they're just in there for seasoning. Okay, all the seasonings in there. We're going to put in a can of diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, 1.5 cups of beef stock, sorry, and 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire. We're going to bring that up to a boil. Stir it. I had cooked some bacon earlier today, so I'm going to crumble up 2 pieces of bacon in there. Just gives a little smoky taste. You can do that if you want to or not. It's coming up to boil. Now I'm going to put in the cup of macaroni. We're going to reduce the heat after we put the macaroni in there, and we're going to cook it until the pasta is tender. It's going to be about 15-20 minutes. And we're going to cut it down to low. Put the lid on. Well, I could do the bacon right now. Just cut it up in little pieces. So we're going to set a timer for about 20 minutes. Our goulash has been cooking about 25 minutes, and we're going to take the bay leaf out because you don't want to eat that. Put it there. Going to give it a stir. Then we're going to put the cup of cheese. This is going to make it cheesy and thick. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. We're going to plate some up. Doesn't that look great? So let's get a little taste here. I don't know if I can put it in my pie hole. It's excellent. You can taste the onion, a little bit of seasoning here and there, but nothing overpowering. The noodles are perfect. It's just a good one-pot meal. So I hope you try this, and it's easy, don't take long. So until next time, God bless.